Peace everyone, Unmask here, and in this video I'm going to explain 6 ways to improve your colored pencil work. Over the years of both learning and teaching colored pencils, I have come across the same reoccurring mistakes, many of which are as easy to correct as they are to make. The goal of this video is to help you overcome and avoid the most common mistakes while also taking your work to the next level. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. The first and most fundamental way to improve your colored pencil work is to start with an accurate drawing of your subject. There are a number of ways to do this that doesn't require relying on your drawing skills. Now, with that said, there are no shortcuts to improving your drawing skills other than practice. But today we want to color. So the easiest way to get an accurate line art is to trace. Your initial sketch is the foundation of your work, and no amount of skill will correct coloring in an inaccurate sketch. So in the end, regardless of how you get your foundational sketch, the only important feature is accuracy. Now that we have our subject accurately sketched out, the next thing that you should be doing is getting to know the colors of your subject. Just grabbing some pencils and rushing right in to start coloring will most often result in poor color choices and mediocre final results. And if you ever intend on coloring skin, this is even more vital to success. Taking the time to correctly identify the colors in the shadows, highlights, and mid-range will not only save you time in the long run, but also make the coloring process easier, replacing your stressful color fear with relaxing confidence. Okay, we have our accurate sketch in a wisely chosen selection of colors. The third way to improve your colored pencil work is to put it on good paper. Oh, did you think I was going to color it on this paper? Of course not. This is just scratch paper to get an accurate sketch. Never sketch on your final project. Instead, use cheap paper for that and back trace your lines with transfer paper or graphite. This will save you from having all of those unappealing eraser marks. Good paper will drastically affect end results of your colored pencil work. I always recommend finding a paper that suits your personal preference based on the results you get. For my drawing, I will be using Strathmore Bristol plate paper, as it is one of my favorites for colored pencils, and I will also have some suggestions listed in the video description. We are finally ready to color, which brings me to number 4, apply cautiously. Colored pencils are not known for their forgiveness, meaning mistakes you make are often permanent, so don't haphazardly scribble down your colors. Instead, apply them with a purpose. This includes being conscious of the pressure you are applying and the direction you are moving your hand. You should never be pressing harder than what is required for the color to show up. Doing this will prevent your wrist from hurting, while also elevating the quality of your work. Okay, so we've now covered 4 of the basic ways to improve your colored pencil work. And if you are really looking for a way to progress quickly, I have an Intro to Colored Pencil course that teaches you all of the techniques that I use with colored pencils. The course has 6 hours of real-time, step-by-step instruction. So if you want to take your colored pencil work to the next level or just get started, I will have a link for that in the video description. But for now, let's make this drawing better. So far, so good. We have an excellent start, which brings me to number 5. Keep layering. In order to get that convincing realism in your colored pencil work, you have to apply more layers. You're giving up too soon. The most glaring problem that I come across is allowing the surface of the paper to influence the value of the colors. If you are working on white paper, this will cause your colors to look faded and dull. If realism is what you're trying to achieve, you can't let the paper control your colors. Going that extra distance will polish off your work and make it look clean and professional. The 6th and final step to getting better colored pencil work is to take your time and enjoy it. The best work you create will always be unrushed. Quality work takes time, but in the end, would you rather have 10 amazing drawings or 15 mediocre ones? And why draw at all if you're not going to have fun with it? I promise, if you incorporate these 6 simple practices, you'll find yourself progressing and being more proud of your creations. All right, everyone, there you have it. 6 steps to better colored pencil work. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know by commenting below and giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and come join the Unmask family on Facebook. We have a wonderful family, always willing to help out and answer questions. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Peace. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you are interested in learning more colored pencil or soft pastel techniques, join me over on Patreon, where I do live tutorials every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Hope to see you soon.